In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an idea on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, sharing your insights and analyses can be a valuable part of your trading journey. So let's dive right in and go through the steps you'll need to follow. First, head over to TradingView's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in TradingView's URL. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page, surrounded by a wealth of trading tools and community insights. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so, as you'll need your account to publish an idea. Next, locate the search bar on the home page. It's usually displayed prominently at the top of the page. By clicking on it, you're opening the gateway to various charts, allowing you to search for specific stocks or cryptocurrencies. This feature is quite handy, especially when you're looking to gather data or insights on a particular market trend. Once you've identified the security or index you're interested in, it's time to launch the chart. Look for the Launch Chart button and give it a click. This action will open a more detailed view of the chart, where you can conduct your technical analysis and plot out your investment idea. Don't forget to make use of the various tools provided here, whether it's drawing trend lines or applying technical indicators. These tools will enhance your analysis and add value to the idea you want to publish. Now, with your chart ready and analysis complete, find the Publish Idea button. It's typically located at the top of the screen. Clicking on this will prompt a form where you'll need to enter some details about your idea. Let's go through these details to ensure you capture everything clearly and concisely. Begin with the title. Keep it short but informative, summarizing the essence of your analysis. A well-crafted title draws attention and invites others to delve deeper into your idea. After the title, move on to the description section. Here, you should provide an explanatory narrative of your analysis, covering your reasoning and outlook on the market. This is your chance to share your insights and potentially spark a discussion or gain feedback from other traders. Don't forget to add relevant tags. Tags are crucial for helping others find your idea, especially those searching for insights related to specific stocks or market sectors. Once finished, click on Continue. Now let's focus on the final touches. This step involves setting the privacy and category details for your post. Choose the idea type, whether it's a long, short, or neutral perspective on the market. You'll also decide if your idea will be public or private. Keep in mind that private posts can only be shared with others via a direct link. With those selections complete, you've successfully prepared your idea for publication. Happy trading, and may your ideas generate great conversations and insights in the TradingView community.